I want to give you a quick preview of what I've been working on. This is my Arduino Aquaponics water controller. It's two parts. It starts over here with the first sensor area. This is where I have an air temperature sensor, humidity sensor, sunlight sensor, rain sensor. This box will be mounted up on a pole over near my NFT rails. So I have a status LED that rotates through depending on what the status of the box is, if it's taking temperature readings or sending them. A display showing the readings of the sensors, and a reset button because the actual power box will be buried. Second sensor area is over here. This will be going to my water tank, so I have a pH sensor, water temperature sensor, water level float switch, and then this that's in the same zone will be for my Dutch buckets, checking the moisture of the Dutch buckets, making sure that they're staying wet enough. All these sensors are being sent to the control box using Ethernet jacks to send everything in. In here we have power coming in, internet coming in. I have a dual relay controlling my Dutch bucket pump and my NFT pump. So the Arduino will be controlling the water schedules of those. And then any of these sensors can act as a trigger. So, for example, if the water level drops below a certain level, then at the next reading, then the relay will turn off these two switches, or turn off these two outlets, which go to the pumps to make sure the pump doesn't burn up. Also, it will send me an email and then a text. So I have this set to go every 30 seconds, so I'm hoping one will happen here real quick. All this data then is being pushed to a server where I can check anytime and see the water level, humidity, temperature, any of the sensor readings I can check and see them there. And I'm going to pause this 1 second for this relay to happen. Okay, so the next readings just happened and the relay just turned off, and in a second I should be getting an email here telling me, yep, there it is, that my water is low, and then it will be sending me a text as well. So this is the project. All I have to do now is get it in place, make sure everything's working and waterproof everything. We'll be ready to go.